Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to make reduced fat peanut butter. And it's really easy. What you want to do is you want to look for peanut butter at the store that's been sitting on the shelf for a long time. And the way that you can tell that is that the oil will be risen to the top, separated from the peanut butter, naturally. And so then when you get home, all you do is you open the peanut butter and dump the oil into another container, and there you go, voila! You've got reduced fat peanut butter that's mostly just protein and fiber. It still has some oil in it, but not near as much, depending on how long the peanut butter had been sitting on the shelf. Now some of you may say, well, now you're not eating a whole food. Oh yes I am. Because I'm still going to consume the oil. I'm just going to put it in a pot or a pan next time I fry something, and instead of using more olive oil or coconut oil or something else, I'll use the peanut oil. So it's all unrefined oil, totally natural. It's a high heat oil, so it's great for cooking. And now you've reduced the amount of oils that you're consuming in your diet because you're now eating peanut butter that's reduced fat. You're not wasting any of the oil either. So one thing to note when buying peanut butter, and this is important, that the only ingredients that should be in the peanut butter, like all the other foods that you buy, are natural, healthy, and preferably organic ingredients. So this is organic from Field Day, which is an inexpensive brand that you can get at your co-op. And the only ingredients in it are, see, no hydrogenated oils. I don't know if you can see that. No hydrogenated oils, no preservatives. Those are important. When you buy Jif peanut butter, that's what you'll get, hydrogenated oils. You don't want that. Organic peanuts and salt. That's all that's in this. And that's what you want. Okay, and peanut butter is really important for getting protein and reducing the amount of meats that you're consuming. And if you do this, then you're reducing the fat in the peanut butter. And peanut butter has arachidonic acid in it, which is not found in a lot of foods in very high quantities, and you do need a degree of that in your diet. And so, let's see, there's iron in peanut butter. What else is in peanut butter? There's a little bit of calcium in peanut butter, but anyways, it's just a really important food. So that's how you reduce the amount of fat in your peanut butter. Now, today I got a really nice comment from someone that I just sent a pillow to that reads, I love it. My 4-year-old daughter and I unboxed it, and I appreciate how friendly and personable it all was inside the box. The quality is amazing and the material is just gorgeous. I think it's so nice you match the inner pillowcase with the color of the outer too. You may have mentioned all that though on your website, but I ordered it so late at night and I was so tired. Regardless, it was the detail to everything that I am impressed with, and it matters to me. My daughter wants one, and I'm thinking about getting one for her soon too, but I'll wait until she's 5 though. They do make great gifts. I want her to take care of it for sure. She really likes it and said in shock, "He makes these pillows?" And I nodded. I read your instructions to her too. Thank you for the extra millet hulls. I'm sorry for the worry about my package. They delivered it a day late. So here's a whole bunch of different sizes and colors of pillows that I have recently made that are ready to go. And all they need is a case in one of these colors. Beautiful colors. made, and then I can send it out to you. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description box or right there. Thanks for joining me. Be well.